Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we're working on a Lexus LBX luxury. Now this also fits the sports luxury because I have a replacement part that's a bit smaller than the factory mounting box you get from the dealership. I'll show you how to get this on. The installation of this is very simple. All you got to do is take out the two factory screws. This unclips off the grille. Take the same screw that's in the car, swap it with this one. You have a new miniaturized version of what was there. Let's get into it. So this is our plinth. It lines up with all the factory holes and knobs. If you look behind it, you'll see the locating tabs and the same circle that goes in here, so it's self-locating. Now that you have our delete kit on, it's time to choose the bracket to suit your number plate. What that means is, because it's a two-part mounting solution, you need to grab the correct bracket to mount your number plate to adapt to our plinth. So for example, if you want to run, say, European style plates, you grab yourself a European bracket, which bolts onto here, and the plates can go on. If you're running, say, signature plates from Victoria, you grab the signature bracket, which clips on, and then this will bolt up to that, giving you a nice clean floating look. What I'll show you is what it looks like with, say, some nice Victorian 6 Heritage. I've got my Heritage bracket, which I'll bolt on, and this will simply attach to this, giving a nice floating look. So before I attach the bracket, I'll just quickly explain, if you are running a small plate, something like that, which is pretty common in New South Wales, Victoria, we will provide you with a little plug that covers that hole, which you can color code if you like. But for us, we'll be installing Heritage plates, which covers everything, so I won't need them anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'll take the two screws out of the plinth to use to attach the bracket. Now I can align any of these slots with any of these fittings on the plinth to get you the desired height. So I'm probably going to go for just the middle, use these bolts, bolt this on, and my plate can be attached to the bracket and we'll be done. But now you're gone and I'm alone. Can't help but wonder why you said goodbye. And that's how you get rid of the big ugly box on this Lexus and shrink it down to something like this. Now this is going to be particularly effective when you have a small plate, because you can imagine how that's going to look like. So just remember, the plinth is car specific and the bracket is number plate specific, and together you get a nice clean look like this. So thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video useful.